Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix this no command issue in this Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. You can see here it is no command XOS. It occurs because first you have to charge your device. Low battery levels can sometimes cause the no command issue, and connect your device to a charger and ensure it has sufficient battery before attempting the reset again. Boot into recovery mode. Try booting your Infinix device into recovery mode manually and initiate the reset process from there. And friends, let's fix this problem. So how you can fix this? Friends, first you have to press on this power button. If it is not open, then you have to press this volume button. So let's press on power button, long press it for 5 to 6 seconds, and then friends you have to press this volume button. If it is open, then don't do this, and it's now open. And friends, you can see it is successfully done, and you can see it is now fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.